Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about articles. We will understand in what case what articles will be used, and we will also understand this with the help of examples. At the end, I will also provide a set of practice questions that you need to solve after the lesson and give the answers in the comment sections below. Articles in English grammar are tiny words that do a lot of work in sentences. Articles are how we understand whether somebody is talking about a specific noun or just any old noun. Sound confusing? In this video, we will understand under what scenario which articles are to be used. As we know, in English grammar, we have three articles: a, an, and the. We use a when the noun or adjective that comes next begins with a consonant sound. And we use an when the noun or adjective that comes next begins with a vowel sound. And we use the when we use article to identify a specific noun or group of nouns. These are used in general sense, however, there are exceptions as well that we will learn in this particular video. First case is silent H. The rule is use an. For example, an hour, an honest man. Here H is there but it is silent, and the next letter that comes is O. That's why we use an instead of a. Next case is pronounced H. You have to use a. For example, a hotel, a house. Here what happens is the H is pronounced, so we will use a. Next case is U sound. In this case, we will use a. For example, a university, a union, etc. Next case is U vowel sound. In this case, we will use an. For example, an umbrella, an uncle, etc. Next case is abbreviations in vowel sound. In this case, we will use an. For example, an MBA, an NCC. What happens is here letter is not vowel, but the sound that comes out is a vowel sound. That's why we are using an. Next case is abbreviations, consonant sound. Here we will use a. For example, a UGC rule, a UPSC test. Next is unique things. For unique things, we will use the. For example, the sun, the internet, etc. Next is famous places. For famous places, we will use the. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga, etc. Next is plural country names. For plural country names, we will use the. For example, the USA, the Netherlands. Next is singular country names. In this case, we won't use an article. For example, we will just write India, France, etc. Next is superlatives. For superlatives, we will use the. For example, the best, the tallest, etc. Next is ordinals. For ordinals, we will use the. For example, the first, the last, etc. Next is instruments or inventions. For instruments and inventions, we will use the. For example, the guitar, the telephone. Next is common places. Common places for general use, we won't use any kind of article. For example, go to school, in hospital. Here, as you can see, we are not using any article in front of the nouns. Next up we have jobs or nationalities. Here we can use either a or an. For example, a doctor, an Indian, etc. Now, I'll give some practice questions that you can answer in the comment section below. So the first question is, he is dash honest officer. Second question is, she got dash MBA from Delhi. Third question is, I saw dash unicorn in a dream. Fourth question is, dash Ganga is a holy river. Fifth question is, he is dash MLA from my city. Try to answer all of these questions in the comment section below.